Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to find missing values in a data set using native Python. And this is the data engineering with the Python series. In this video, I'm going to cover how to find a missing values in data set using native Python. So we are using following approach. Let's assume we have a list of dictionaries representing our data set. For example, I have created one data set here known as variable. This is the data set, which is name alias. This is the item, guys. In age 30, city, New York. Okay, if you see here, for the Charlie, we have none and city is Chicago, but the missing values here, age and city. Okay, we have these are the data sets. So I want to find out missing value. So we can use one concept, iterate over the data set and check if the value specified key is none. So for example, specified key is none. Based on that only, I'm going to find out the missing value. For example, missing value, I have created empty here, this variable. Now I'm using the loop for loop, it is going to iterating the data set. So for data in data set, okay, for key value in data item colon, so value is none, missing value dot append, record data missing key colon key. So print missing value. So actually the code here up to here, I will let me explain to you. So this indicate the age field is missing for the Charlie record and city field is missing for the Eva record. So to handle missing, we have to specify, you can consider library like Panda or num, we can provide more advanced and efficient way. But guys, if you see here, what I'm doing actually, so here for data in data set, nothing but this data set for key value in a data that item, it means the key means this is the value guess which we are assigning, right? And data in items. So these are the items. I'm checking the for with the data in data set for key value in data that item. So this item function. If value is none, for example, if value is none in this key values, okay, then missing value to be append. So record equal to code data and missing key equal to key. So this is the way we have implemented this to handle missing values by using Python, guys, native Python. So simply we can have like we can go ahead with the help of like Panda NumPy libraries also in order to handle the missing records. So actually here I just utilize the native Python. Then based on this we are able to find out. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.